In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Stripe payment links without a website. If you want to start accepting payments online, but you do not have a website yet, Stripe payment links can be a simple and effective solution. They allow you to create a shareable checkout page that you can send directly to customers, so they can pay you quickly and securely. To get started, log into your Stripe account. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click on Payment Links. This is where you can create and manage all of the payment links for your business. Next, click Create Payment Link. Stripe will then guide you through the setup process. At this stage, you can either select an existing product if you have already created one, or click Add Product if this is your first time setting one up. If you are adding a new product, enter the product name and price carefully. Make sure the details are clear and accurate, since this is what your customer will see when they open the payment page. A simple, descriptive product name helps avoid confusion and makes the checkout process feel more professional. After that, configure any payment options you want to use. Depending on your setup, this may include things like quantity options, customer information, or other checkout preferences. Take a moment here to review the settings so the payment link works the way you want it to. When everything looks good, click Create Link. Stripe will generate your payment link instantly. Once it appears, copy the link so you can use it wherever you plan to communicate with customers. Before sending it out, test the payment link to make sure it works correctly. This is an important step because it helps you confirm that the product details, pricing, and checkout experience are all functioning as expected. It is much better to catch any issue now before a customer tries to pay. Once you have confirmed that everything is working, share the payment link directly with customers through email, social media, messaging apps, or SMS. This flexibility is one of the biggest advantages of using payment links, especially if you are selling through conversations, content, or direct outreach instead of a traditional website. From the customer side, the process is very simple. They can open the link and complete payment without ever visiting a website. That makes checkout faster and can help reduce friction in the buying process. Finally, monitor your payments in the transaction section of your Stripe account. This will let you keep track of completed payments and stay organized as orders come in. Thanks for watching.